Hello everybody, I am Gabe Nathan. Today I'll be bringing you whatever video this is. This is a 4-part movie, and if any of you subscribers want to subscribe for something about the movie or a way out, you can suggest it. I won't be here for most of this movie. I'm in Virginia Beach right now, and I'm leaving just a little bit, going back. So it's going to be different places. So if you have any ideas, just please comment. And here we go. You gotta help me. I gotta get... Oh, what the crap? There's nobody here. I am invisible. Where are you? Oh, my head. Oh. See, I need to find a way out. Phone. This will work. Does anybody know where I am? Please, 911, come help me. I don't know where I am. Oh. I don't think I can do it anymore. Oh, cement wall. No, no, don't do this to me. Don't, no, no. I'm in. Don't like it when people push things on, but I'm gonna stay. I don't like when people put things on top of me. So where are you? Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Get me out of here! No! The next day, where am I? I think I'm in a dungeon. I gotta get out. I gotta get out. I can't get out. Someone needs to help me, or else I won't make it. Please, help me. Now guys, that's the first part of the movie. Please subscribe, please. I don't even think I have any subscribers right now. But comment and hi, and I just really hope that I can finally get some subscribers. And if I can, I'll be able to put up more videos, even more videos, and I'll be more inspired to make more videos and stuff. So sorry if I'm getting on the camera. If you like it, comment. I'll put up the next video. And, I just want to tell you guys that I just got NBA 2K12. So I'll be posting some videos about that. Because I just know you guys like Chris Smoove and QJB and all those kind of people doing that. So I'm going to try and do that. And it may not be as good as theirs. But thanks. I just hope you subscribe. Bye.